Randy Orton slithering.
Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out! Niggas so the wind could just be hitting my balls and shit. Hey, bro, watch your jet. Watch your jet, bro. Watch your jet! Watch your shit!
2 hours later.